what are you doing Saturday and Sunday this weekend, or just Saturday?
Friday's
your last day. Okay,
yes.
alrighty.
They did Saturday and Sunday as the start.
Yeah.
But then, yeah.
There you go, Tony. I'm still here having a good time. Maybe next year you'll be here.
Like you probably make a lot more money.
All right, how long have you been riding with you?
He's 2, but he's almost 3. Yeah, 2 years roughly.
And how do you haul him?
Kind of do like that. He sits like on the
Like
leg.
case for him?
like a basket when he's riding by himself.
Okay. Looks like he has a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You got another one he likes to ride too?
Oh yeah, she rides like this.
You're like a big old baby there riding.
Yep. Yeah. Almost ready.
Oh, got a little hole for his head.
Oh, boy.
I didn't want your paw to get all caught in the zipper.
What's your first names?
Corey.
Teresa. Larson.
Larson.
Where are you guys from?
Wisconsin.
From
Ashland.
And how many times you been to Sturgis?
23 times.
Right. What's the best thing about Sturgis?
Everything.
The people.
Who do you watch on YouTube?
Bob and
Bob and
Tam, of
Tam.
course.
There you go.
Love you guys.
One more question. Should kids under 14 be able to come to a motorcycle rally? Should they come?
No.
Well, there should be a limit there on that, I'm thinking.
So tell us your names.
Curry.
And the question of the day is, do you think kids under the age of 14 should come to a motorcycle rally?
Oh.
Tell us your names first.
Jennifer and Tim Lockwood.
And do you think kids under the age of 14 should come to a motorcycle rally?
Up until a certain time at night.
I like that answer.
One's upstairs at One Eye Jack's, IV fluids for hydration. We have vitamin B12 shots for energy, Myers cocktail, NAD injections, and we'd love to serve you.
Check out the bike. We're giving it away tomorrow night. TAM'S fluid. It is called an electro cycle. It's known as the PBR Destroyer. And this guy, Ron, down in Texas, he's got a company called Wicked Pump. And he did this collaboration with us to celebrate PAP's 180th year anniversary. So this is the final product. And One Eye Jack's is, well, I'm sponsoring them this year in Sturgis. And this is the big giveaway for One Eye Jack. So we'll be giving this to some lucky shredder tomorrow that's going to ride it out of here. Yeah, heck yeah.
Happy Sturgis.
What's your names first?
Noel.
And where are you guys from?
Outside of KC Road.
So the question of the day, do you think kids under the age of 14 be brought to a motorcycle rally?
No. No.
Depends.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do a question of the day. Should kids under 14 years old be brought to a motorcycle rally? So kids under 14.
No. Hate to never.
Tell everybody where you're at.
Affliction Sturgis.
You're down here right on the corner.
Right on the corner, back where we used to be.
That's right.
Come down to this.
Yeah, it was really tough to leave, but can you tell me to take a picture of so we have it? Oh.
We're the Budweiser girls.
Budweiser, baby. Hey.
Yeah.
And their backup crew.
And the backup. Perfect.
Welcome to Sturgis!
Hi, we're with Sturgis PAL, the Police Athletic League. We are selling bike tickets for a 2015 Electric Glide Harley Davidson. It is used from the 75th Rally on, and so it was taken out of the fleet, and now it's being raffled off. All the proceeds go to our youth programming, so we do fishing, boxing, we do mountain biking, a lot of activities with our kiddos here in the community. And so if you want to buy a ticket, they're 1 for 20, 3 for 50, 6 for 100, and get a free t-shirt. And even if you don't win, all of those proceeds go back to buying kids Christmas presents, school supplies, and just giving them a good sober source of a fun activity. Max deductible, yeah. Well, we're located at the Harley Davidson Square. So you can find us under the PAL tent. It says PAL, black and red and white.
Tell us your name.
Gary.
Where are you from?
Thorrington.
And what do you ride?
Goldwing. Motorcycle for Goldwing.
And what's your favorite part about Sturgis?
Seeing all those bikes. You can have 10 bikes of the same brand, but they're all different. As different as there are personalities from one person to another. Because they take it and make it their own.
Tell us your name.
Lee,
Where are you from?
Omaha,
And what kind of bike do you ride?
Goldwing Honda.
Alrighty. Were you guys at the Mango Tango show? They have a Honda show out of the gym.
Don't even know what it is.
How many times have you been to Sturgis?
Started in 1970.
Nice.
I was here in 70 and 71, and then again in 06, and every year since then. 18 of those years was on the same motorcycle.
So, what's the last thing you did to your motorcycle? Fix it up.
Put a new windshield on it.
New windshield? Wonderful. What's your name?
I'm Andy,
Where are you from?
Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
What do you ride?
2019 Street Glide Special, and we rode.
I rode all the way.
We rode the whole way.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Okay, question of the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think that kids under 14 years old should come to a motorcycle rally?
Ultimately, no. Are they safe, and do you have to worry about them? No. But is this where a under 14-year-old kid should be? No.
Tell us your names.
My name is Patty.
And where are you from?
Sharon, Pennsylvania.
And what do you ride?
Ultra classic.
All right. So we have a question of the day. Do you think children under 14 years old should come to a motorcycle rally?
No.
Your names, where are you from?
Fred and Jamie from San Clemente, California.
And what do you ride?
CVO Limited 2016.
What's the last thing you did to it?
I put on new bars.
All right, there you go. Okay, question of the day. Do you think kids should come to a motorcycle rally?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
How are you? We saw you in Daytona this year. Hey Tam, how are you? Welcome to Sturgis, Tam. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you.
Tell us your name and where we're at.
I am Lieutenant Governor Larry Roden. We're in Sturgis, South Dakota.
And what do you think about the rally?
Well, I was born in Sturgis, and my ranch is just 45 miles east, so we always look forward to coming to Sturgis and meeting the people, and there are a lot of freedom-loving Americans here in Sturgis this time of year. So welcome everybody to Sturgis, South Dakota. Have fun, be safe.
15 years tomorrow. Really? Oh, I'm so sorry.
So what's going on at 160 Biker Chick?
Well, we're selling out, so hurry up. Shop early, shop often. 1109 Main Street. See you soon.
smokes, I can hardly believe it. We are at the Full Throttle Saloon. If there isn't 1,000 bikes, there's 5,000 bikes in the parking lot. Holy Jennifer Jupiter's Batman.
It's off the
Pating.
chain. There you go.
Look, he took a coil spring off of a car and made it front shock. It's got hand grips. It's like one bike that actually has the nitrous oxide actually hooked up instead of just for show. Thank you.
Videos about a month ago. I prepared me for my way up.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Florida.
What do you ride? What's your bike?
Street line.
And we have a question for the day. Do you think little kids under 14 should come to a motorcycle rally?
Not for nighttime activities.
Throttle Saloon. I would probably say at this moment, at this time of day, what time did you say it was? About 6:30?
Yeah, about that.
This is the busiest bar anywhere in Sturgis.
Yeah. Michael did it good this year.
Yep. Got a great crowd in there, got a lot of things going on. Some of it we couldn't show you. It has to show up on Patreon because a little bit too much showing on for YouTube.
Yeah.
So you'll have to check that out if you want to see that over there. That'll be out probably in about a week or so. But it was really great. A lot of things going on there. A lot of people. We didn't eat anything. We actually didn't even have a drink while we were in there.
No, I was not one, but it's cash only, and I don't have any cash on me.
What?
Somebody hogs all the cash.
So we're gonna jump on the bike and we're gonna head over to the Buffalo Shed. We don't know. We don't know. We're probably not gonna make it to watch Jelly Roll. We're hearing he's not gonna come on to about 10:30 or 11. I still gotta get a video up tonight for tomorrow. So there we go. Let's jump on the bike and roll on out of here.
Screw it, let's ride.
What'd you say?
Screw it, let's ride. Isn't that one of the shirts?
Yeah.
So how's it going today? What's going on today?
Oh, we're doing our chopper show. It's more a bunch of our friends. We're barbecuing out at the shop. We still got beer left over from Saturday, so we're drinking that and just having a good time and hanging out, kind of winding the gears down. So it's awesome.
Sounds good.